Wakey wakey Upper East Siders, Gossip Girl here. It's our favorite little hooligan's birthday today, and I'm sure she's DIY'd a whole day of fun. But instead of waiting for the cake, I think you should make your wishes now, because you never know what the day will bring you. Good morning, guys. It's my birthday! I am spending my first birthday in New York City. No, it's not my first birthday, as in I'm not turning 1 year old. I think that's kind of obvious. Anyway, I'm turning 25 today. I know, it's really, really weird. Honestly though, I thought I might have things a little bit more together. Like, I literally don't have any birthday plans. I'm a huge procrastinator. I don't really know what I'm gonna do today, but I'm excited to be spending it in New York. I kind of have mixed feelings about turning 25, and I feel like it's such a common girl thing to feel weird about birthdays. I just thought that I would be a different person by now and thought that I would have things figured out, be more organized, know how to plan a birthday. I thought I would be able to escape it, but it's a classic quarter life crisis moment. I just don't know what I want to do for the rest of my life, and like, just as I thought I had figured things out at like 23, 24, now I'm like, wait a minute, I actually don't like what I was doing, or like I don't like who I was, and now I'm like trying new things and trying to figure things out, and it's just very confusing. I feel like a newborn child in adulthood. As a kid, I used to think 25 was like the end. Like 25 is so old. And now that I'm 25, I don't know, it's like very confusing. I feel like there is a lot of life ahead of me, and like I'm just starting my adulthood journey, but at the same time it's like I'm not a kid anymore, and I can't get away with like using I'm a kid as an excuse. So it just feels like there's a lot more responsibility. This is a great conversation to start off my birthday. But anyway, I feel like especially as a woman, I'm just a girl. That feels really weird to self-identify as, but I feel like at 25 as a girl has like different implications, because like it feels like we have an expiry date. 25 is like your peak fitness and health, and if you're not at your peak at 25, it's like all downhill from there. So it's like a lot of pressure to have done certain things by this point. I feel like I haven't achieved a lot of the things that I thought I would. What a depressing note to start the day off. All of this is to say I haven't planned anything for my birthday, so I'm actually gonna text my friends and see if they want to hang, because that would be ideal. Hello?
Hi.
What are you doing right now? It's my birthday. Do you want to hang out?
Oh my god, happy birthday!
Thanks.
Today I'm kind of busy.
What about like later today, like dinner?
Today's like super busy. I have plans tonight.
Oh, okay. Wait, who are you with right now?
Oh, no one. But I gotta go right now, so I'll talk to you later.
Okay, well.
Happy birthday, bye!
Okay. Oh. Turns out all of my friends are busy today. I guess I am just gonna vibe on my birthday alone. But actually, to cheer myself up, I guess, I am gonna go get my free Starbucks drink for my birthday. So I'm just gonna finish getting ready, and then I'm gonna bop over to Starbucks.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my.
I'm so sorry.
Let
me get you some napkins.
No. Stop. Just leave it alone.
I'm sorry.
Spotted. Little Jay caught in a riptide of coffee. Hope you brought some Tide to go, because this one's gonna leave a stain. Guys, look at my shirt right now. Some random dude like bumped into me in the street, and this is the result. I feel like God is spending extra time on my birthday today. Thank you for that. This is such a bad start to my morning, honestly. I clearly need a new outfit. Let's just go thrifting.
Napoleon once said that secrets travel fast in the big city, but Gossip Girl travels faster. It may be your birthday, little hooligan, but we're the ones receiving the gifts today.
I cannot believe someone sent in that video. Why did someone record? How did someone even record that? This day just keeps getting worse and worse. Like, I don't even know what to do.
Hey, sorry to bother you.
Hi.
I really like your outfit. Can I get a photo of you really quick? I'm a photographer.
Sure,
yeah.
yeah.
Go. There's a cute spot over there.
Okay,
Yeah,
wait, is
let's do
this
it.
for TikTok?
Maybe.
Hello guys, I'm sitting in Central Park right now and it's so peaceful and nice. I just finished this fun photo shoot with this really cool photographer. He sent me the photos. They turned out really, really cute, so they'll be up on Instagram. But yeah, my day's definitely like looking up now. You know, it's done a 180 since this morning when I literally got coffee spilled all over me on the streets.
Damn, that's awful. That's so shitty.
Hi.
Did he at least offer to buy you another coffee, or?
No.
What an asshole.
Yeah, I mean,
Well, I have something better than coffee.
okay.
So just wait right here,
Okay.
and I will go get it.
Okay. Dude, what is going on? I think that's the same boy from this morning. There's literally no way. I have no idea what's going on right now. Is this boy following me? This is so crazy. I think this is the same guy from this morning. Wait, he's like coming back right now.
Okay, I have bad news.
Okay.
There's a SpongeBob shortage in New York. Would you rather eat a talking turtle or a talking bird?
Ooh, a talking bird, please.
Okay, there you go. I hope you accept this ice cream as my formal apology.
Okay, I'll take it under consideration depending on if there's actually eyeballs in here.
Okay, let's find out.
Okay? It has no eyeballs! That actually is like really crazy looking.
It's tough, you know, to find them with eyeballs. Without eyeballs is even more rare. And this is like a New York staple. It's like a delicacy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's actually not that rare because I've, seen a couple of them in Canada myself. But maybe for you New Yorkers, it's like so rare.
So rare.
So rare.
Are you from Canada then?
I am from Canada.
That's why you're just accepting popsicles from strangers.
Actually, no, I just like free food. So I'll take anything. But are you gonna spill this on me too?
I am really sorry about that, about earlier.
It's fine, it's fine. I just like didn't expect my birthday to start off like that, you know?
It's your birthday?
It is my birthday.
Oh.
Actually no need for you to spill this on me because it's
spilling all
literally just
over
like
you.
dripping all over me.
Do you have any birthday plans?
Wait one sec. Actually, I guess not.
Okay. Well, you're coming with me.
You about to murder me?
No, maybe. No, I'm not gonna murder you. I'm not gonna murder you. I'm gonna take you to my favorite spot in all of New York. You wanna go?
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. With the SpongeBob?
We're almost here at the top of Manhattan. Met Cloisters on the way. This is my favorite part of the city. Really beautiful out here, you know. We're here at the top of Manhattan. We're almost go.
Oh my god, there's a groundhog over here. Come. Wait, why are you above ground, bro?
We're so cute. We're in Canada.
It looks like Canada. So beautiful.
It's very pretty.
Thanks for bringing me here.
Yeah, of course. So, how do you feel about turning 25?
Ooh, I didn't like that question. I feel weird, like mixed feelings. I think I just thought that I would have achieved a lot more by now. Like I thought I would have my degree at least, be in some sort of like long-term relationship, or like be ready to like have a baby, but I honestly feel like a child myself.
Very scattered.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
You don't have a baby now?
You know, if it happens, I just don't know, like that might be the worst thing that could happen to me right now, because I would cease to function. Although I kind of do have the sleeping schedule of like a newborn child, sleeping at 5 a.m., waking up at random hours during the night. We would have a fun time screaming together.
Yeah, screaming together, sleeping together.
Yeah.
It's okay to feel scattered right now, or feel like you're not achieving what you initially set out for. We're still so young, I think.
Yeah.
We're still kids, kind of.
Yeah.
Young adults.
Can we say we're young adults anymore?
What is young adult?
I mean, I don't know.
What is a graphic novel, young adults?
Yeah. I only know young adults from literally like novels.
Yeah, the YAs.
yeah. Are we still YAs? Well, we have to pay taxes, so I feel like we can't call ourselves YAs anymore.
Yeah, I guess not.
Yeah.
Huh.
I don't know, yeah, I do feel young, but then I also do feel old.
How do you feel old?
Just like compared to the little youngins. Also my body creaks.
Just physically you feel old. Not mentally?
Mentally just a lot of like turbulence and like going back and forth. Like I don't know what to do with my life. Like I don't know where I'm going. And like feeling like I'm doing the wrong thing sometimes. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I have such a distinct goal. I'm like trying to reach for that, but then...
Well, that's what your 20s are for, right? To make mistakes. You should be selfish in your 20s, you know? Like, definitely with your career and with what you want out of life. Like, I recently made a huge change career-wise, deciding from doing what other people told me I should be doing, and then deciding my own self-interest, going to a completely new place, a new city, not really knowing anybody here, but keeping that goal in mind and knowing that at least I'm doing what I want to do, you know? And I think right now is finally the time that we have, that we can just like break free from everything we've learned from our childhood, I guess, from our young adult lives, and that we can live for ourselves. I really believe in that. I'm here doing something that I never thought I would be doing at all, and it was always just like kind of a dream, getting to study here in New York and getting to perform in New York and do stuff that I've always wanted to do, but just not a traditional path. But it makes me happy, and I'm very thankful for the opportunity to pursue something like that. Yeah. And I think I could only do that in my 20s. Any older, that I'd have no hair. My back would be way worse.
Don't tell them what you can and can't do without hair.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. The Rock has no hair.
You're very right about that.
A lot of famous bald people. So I once heard this quote, and I think maybe it'll help, maybe not. But if you kind of think of life as you're in your car driving, you're headed to a destination, your favorite beach, favorite city, or wherever you're going, and you only think on the entire road trip about getting there, it's gonna make for a really boring road trip. But if you take the scenic route, if you make a few stops along the way, maybe some that you intended for, some that you didn't intend for, you don't know what's gonna happen, but I think it'll be more beautiful, right?
Yeah.
And you'll still get there. You just gotta have that trust in yourself and just enjoy the journey. Which kind of sounds cheesy.
But true. Yeah. That's lovely. Hello, I just got home. My day took so many 180s and then 270s and then 360s and 450s, but now I'm home exhausted. Can't believe my day started off by getting coffee spilled on me and then I literally went to the Met Cloisters with the same boy who committed said crime. Honestly, like, I'm feeling like I have a whole new perspective, had a really cool conversation with him. I don't know, I'm just feeling very like excited for this new chapter in my life. I feel like there's so many things that I still can explore. Like, what's the rush? You know, I have my whole life in front of me. There's always this like race to figure things out and like know exactly where you're going, but like honestly, how boring would it be if you already knew everything right now? Like, what would there be left to discover? Anyway, on that philosophical note, I actually remembered that my building has a rooftop and it's currently sunset. So I'm gonna go up, go vibe, maybe drink a little glass of wine. I think it'll be the perfect ending to this day. Let's go. The sunset's red, like literally right now.
Surprise! Whoa, wait, what? Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jen. Happy birthday to you. Wait, why did you say you were pissing today?
Surprise.
Surprise.
We were waiting for you. It melted.
Oh my god, wait.
This girl was late to her own party.
Let them eat cake.
Cleaning up an off floor for my life, for my cries on the floor. Cleaning up and all free through the years and I couldn't be free. Clean up and all through to the habits I couldn't improve.
What a vlog. It's back at it again with Generation DIY. You guys want to know what I got her for her birthday? I got her flowers, but then I also got her a Home Depot card because this bitch is always fixing shit.
Through the years and I couldn't be free. Clean up and all through to the habits I couldn't improve. Clean up and I wonder when will the cycle be
Happy birthday, Jen!
My last wholesome birthday.
It's like 26, you're gonna turn up?
Yeah.
Self-affirmation, all right next to happiness.
Happy birthday, dear Jen. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Speech. Thank you guys for coming. Happy to be in New York with all of you guys. Yay!
Sometimes you need to step outside to find a new perspective you never knew you needed. And sometimes you find that what you were looking for was right here all along. XOXO, Gossip Girl.
Go ahead.
For liberty and justice for all.
With liberty and justice for all.